First one, I will show you how to install SQL Server. In Google, you search keyword SQL Server 2019. It's selected. So let's wait. From this website, you need to install download, and here you just SQL Server 2000 Express, this version. This version we use is SQL Server 2019 Expression, and after download it, you need to install the IDE is the SQL Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio 18. So just search from Google SQL Management Studio 18 and download this studio from two buckets, SQL Server and Server Management. So now you can create an application that can store data into the SQL database. This link is the interface of SQL Server Management Studio. This version is the I12 and 2019 Microsoft. So please use same version from the class and for other students so that they can access your project. And here is a connect. If you learn a class in database management introduction to a database, you know how to use it. Here I connect in localhost SQL Express Windows Authentication Connect, and here on the database I have. So now we have the database. Now let's we continue with the first approach is the call first.